Hey everybody, today I will show you how to make X is a scary butterfly on it. So, this one. So, this one. Go on light rays. Press the percent is moderate light rays. Gradient map. Scroll down if you can see X is a scary butterfly. It's right here. I'm sorry that the DXT is a kind of big glitch with text. Press the glow is X is a scary butterfly. Go on properties. Method is elastic. Stretch increase is efficient. And go ahead and set the pitch for -2. Press the OK thing. Let's play this. Sounds like hips major and Astana major.